Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. It's summer here in Korea and it's very hot, so even you turn on the air conditioner for the whole day, it seems that you will feel sick. So I bought a vertical air circulator, so I will show you and I'll open it now. Please wait. It's kind of heavy. It looks like this. So it's ZEALAC vertical air circulator. Actually, it's an electric fan, but it's more on circulator because it can turn around and goes up and down. Okay, so let's open now. Open now. Look, so cute. It's already assembled, I think, so I don't need to assemble it already. It's so cute and so small. It comes with a manual. Yeah, it's already assembled, so I'll just plug it later and see. Because we don't have an aircon inside the room, the aircon is just in the living room. So let's test this one. Okay, I will plug it now. Okay, we have the mipum. It's like number 1. It's and then we have the yakpum. It's like number 2, and the kangpum. It's the strongest. And then we have chonon, means off. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and 3. And off. So nice. But this time we're going to rotate it. Okay, we have, oh, it's rotating. Nice. Wow, love this. And the air is cool and not too noisy compared to other fans. And you know what, I got like how many, 8% discount. It cost 29,000 won. So maybe about $29. So it could be in upward, and if you want, you can push it down. Okay. So now facing me. And then we'll let it move. Okay, it's moving now. So cute. I love it. I think I got a best deal today. The whole body is moving. Nice. So I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong.